A Cybertruck owner faced a nighttime near head-on collision in New Mexico, where Tesla's FSD system in a Cybertruck autonomously swerved left to evade an oncoming vehicle at 75 miles per hour relative speed, causing only minor exterior damage. Just a broken mirror, busted window, and a bit of a shaken mind. Dashcam footage captures the erratic oncoming driver crossing lanes. The oncoming vehicle crosses into the Cybertruck's lane, heading directly towards it. At this point, the FSD system recognizes the impending danger and initiates an evasive maneuver. The Cybertruck swerves left, moving towards the shoulder of the road to avoid the collision. This demonstrates the FSD system's ability to react quickly to an unexpected and dangerous situation, likely saving the lives of the occupants.